What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning, it is early. I'm headed to Tuscaloosa, Alabama, home of the University of Alabama, home of Stillman College, my alum. And this is where I got my first start at with real estate. This is where I purchased my first crib at. And this is also where I obtained my real estate license in the beginning when I first started in the real estate game. So y'all follow me to T-Town. All right, guys, we have officially arrived in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I am out here right now in the front of the house. I actually bought this house when I was 23 years old back in 2006. And this is how I got my start in real estate. Not only did I get my start in real estate, but it also was like the foundation of me learning about the real estate game and even wanting to buy and purchase a portfolio of properties. So I'm gonna take y'all inside. I'm also go over like how much my interest rate is on this house and how much my mortgage is on this house and how I purchased this house back in 2006. So y'all make sure y'all stay tapped in to the end of this video. All right, guys, so how I purchased this house. I purchased this house through a no documentation loan, which are self-employed loans, whatever you want to call them. I only provided bank statements only to purchase this house, and you can do the same thing today. These same methods that I used to purchase houses and purchase these houses, you can use those same methods today. I was only required to provide bank statements. They add up all of my deposits. It does require discipline because you need to put money in your bank on a regular basis, whether it's into your personal or whether it's into your business. They'll take either one. They use my bank statements, and that's how they determine how much I can make. Now, keep in mind, you do not need W-2. So if you're self-employed and you're struggling and you're trying to find out how you can purchase a house, this is probably the best way to do it, but it does require discipline. All right, and don't let no one tell you otherwise. All right, so let's go inside. Let's take a walk on the inside of this house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. It's kind of dark in here because we don't have the power is not on currently, but I have an interest rate on this house at 2% and a mortgage at $451 a month. I currently rent it out for $1,750 a month. I actually have a tenant that will be moving in this week. So I'm out here just kind of putting my eyes on it, checking out how it's looking. But the tenant who's moving in was willing to take it as it is, but I am gonna get these where y'all see the holes and stuff like that, being sanding down and touching up paint. So we're gonna get that taken care of for her. But she came in, she viewed it, and she was willing to take it like it is, which is cool with me. I have no problem with that. And so again, 2% interest, $450 a month. I rent it for $1,750. The value on this house is like $250,000. I have a payoff. I think my payoff right now is like $58,000. And this is the perks of home ownership. And, you know, people ask me, you know, is it still a good time to buy? I feel like it's always a good time to buy as long as you buy at the right time, all right, and know what you're buying. To me, that's the value of real estate, to be honest with you. The money is made at the buy with real estate, with any type of deal, whether it's a home purchase, whether it's land purchase, or whether it's an investment. That's when the money is made with real estate. Okay, guys, so I just want to come over here, put my eyes on the property to see what all we need to get done. We have a tenant that's moving in this week. We do have a few things in there that I need to tidy up myself as the owner of the property. And also keep in mind that if you looking to get into, you know, the rental game, you don't always have to be hands-on. I'm a hands-on investor, so I like to come, make those 2-hour drives from Georgia to Alabama to check on my properties. Here in T-Town, the market is very good. So if you're looking to invest in Tuscaloosa, Alabama is probably one of the better rental markets. You can get some real good rental income from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. You can ask me whatever you like. If there's anything that you think that I forgot, feel free to come in on. And hey, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.